Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. I hope all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's start the class.
The rules of financial institutions in Bangladesh. Financial institutions play an important role in the economic development of a country. The objective of these institutions is to accumulate the settled deposits and invest them in a productive manner for economic upliftment. The financial market is 5491 created to satisfy particular performance of market participants. These markets transfer funds from those who have excess funds to those who need funds. That is, they facilitate the transfer of funds from surplus units to deficit units. Successful financial regulations prevent market failure, promotes microeconomic stability, protect investors, and mitigates the effects of financial failures on the real economy. Financial regulation can also be used to improve market transparency and to protect investors. Various financial acts in Bangladesh. Number 1. Bangladesh Bank Order 1972. Number 2. Bank Company Act 1991. Number 3. The Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Number 4. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1947. Number 5. Financial Institution Act 1993. Number 6. Money Laundering Prevention Act 2002. Number 7. Microcredit Regulatory Authority Act 2006. Number 8. Bank Deposit Insurance Act 2000. Number 9. Insurance Act 2010. Securities and Exchange Ordinance 1969. Bangladesh Securities and Exchange Commission Act 1993. Partnership Act 1932 and Company Act 1994, Anti-Terrorism Act 2009, and Income Tax Ordinance 1984, the Public Debt Act 1944, and last one, the Post Office Savings Bank Rules Act 1981.
For further information or any query of you, you must contact with me in various connections as like email. My email address is sohela6@gmail.com. Also WhatsApp number 01674800871 and also Facebook or messengers and also my channel, YouTube channels. My dear students, I hope all are enjoyed today's class. Thank you all to stay with me. May Allah keep everyone healthy and well. Dear students, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.